Two-Touch is a two-player game with a wait line behind the fence. After the server confirms that their opponent is ready, they kick the ball to begin the game. The ball must touch the wall and land in bounds. Player 2 stops the ball, first touch, with hand, body, or foot, then kicks the ball to the wall, second touch. Players continue to strike the ball back to the wall using 1 or 2 touches.
The person who wins the game becomes the server. The person who loses goes to the end of the line.
You are out if you hold or catch the ball. The ball is kicked above the red line. The ball goes out of bounds. The ball goes over the wall or onto the roof.
The ball doesn't hit the wall on your second touch. Or your shoe comes off while kicking. It's a redo if the ball hits you before it hits the wall, a person or ball interferes with your game, or the ball hits the water spouts.
Own your out and solve conflicts with paper, rock, scissors.